How to change weather notification settings on iPhone. Here's how to change the notification settings in the Apple Weather app. First, open the weather on your iPhone. Tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to open your saved locations. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Notifications. If you're setting this up for the first time, tap Continue, then allow notifications and location access when prompted. Now, select the city or your current location that you want to manage. Here, you can turn severe weather alerts on or off to receive notifications about storms and other dangerous weather conditions. You can also enable or disable next hour precipitation notifications to get alerts before rain or snow begins, if this feature is available in your region. If you want to change how weather notifications appear on your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Notifications, scroll down, and tap on Weather. From here, you can customize options like lock screen, notification center, banners, sounds, and badges. Once you've finished, your changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the weather notification settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.